Splish splash, I was taking a bath, all about a Saturday night. Oh, hey, sorry about that, that's for another day. So I am getting ready for the Splish Splash Bash coming up on July 13th in Beverly Hills. I've got my floaties, got my goggles. I think I might have bought the wrong size floaties, but we'll get that fixed before July 13th. So the event is a fundraiser to raise money to save the Beverly Hills pool. Many of you know the pool was shut down this year because there are extensive repairs needed to the tune of about $50,000. And so the community is being asked to come together and help to raise funds, and we're trying to get donations to have the money to bring the pool back to life. So it's a great amenity in Beverly Hills, and I think it's very important to have that amenity available for our families, and especially for the kids in the community. So on behalf of RES Luxury Group, I am excited and proud to announce that we will be making our first donation towards this cause in the amount of $4,651. And I just want to take a moment to thank the great customers that we have had the opportunity to work with this year that have made that donation possible. So thank you to Andy and Paula Polak, to Lynn Karstens, Charlie and Joyce Shylock, Dat and Ty Pan, Dave and Lily Haber, Lee and Sandy Melanson, Tina Ketty, and Robert and Denise Clayton. Without you guys allowing us to serve you with the sale and purchase of your home in Beverly Hills, this donation would not be possible. RES Luxury Group has pledged 10% of all commissions earned on sales in Beverly Hills for 2019 to go towards saving the Beverly Hills pool, and we are excited to be a part of this. So I also would like to ask my fellow business partners in the community who serve this community to consider pledging a percentage of your earnings throughout the year towards this cause as well. If anyone has any questions about how to participate or how to become involved, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, 352-476-3303. And as always, if you are looking to buy a home or sell a home in Beverly Hills, you can support the cause by using RES Luxury Group, where you will receive white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Thank you.